Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up appointment email and in-app notifications for your calendars. If you've been looking to streamline how you notify contacts and users about appointments, cancellations, or reminders, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Hi there. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through enabling and customizing notifications for calendar appointments. By the end, you'll be ready to manage notifications efficiently for both your team and your clients. Let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to Calendar Settings. Begin by logging into your GoHighLevel sub-account and heading to the Settings tab. From there, click on Calendars, where you'll see a list of all the calendars in your account. Choose the calendar you want to update and click Edit. This is where you'll customize notification options.
And under settings and calendars, you can see I have calendar settings here. So there's a bunch of calendars I have in this account. I'm going to pick this one right here. So let's go ahead, click on edit here.
Step 2, enable and customize email notifications. Under the notifications and additional options section, you'll see settings for appointment notifications based on different statuses, such as unconfirmed, confirmed, cancellation, rescheduled, reminder, and follow-up. Select the status you want to customize and click the pencil icon to edit.
The notifications and additional options. Now here you will notice that we have a list of appointment notifications which you can set up for each status for an appointment. So let's say if there's an appointment booked with the unconfirmed status, we can edit this one here. We have one for confirmed, then it is also handling cancellations, reschedule, reminder, and follow-up. So this is a really good way, and you can enable this for both users or the assigned users and contact. So in a way, this will also save you a bunch of time that you would put in a workflow to accomplish all of this. So this is a head start on that side, and this is just for email notifications. Now, if you want to customize this, you can click on the pencil icon right here, and
you can enable or disable email notifications and choose who should receive them, such as assigned users or specific contacts. Customize the email content using the default template, or select an email template you've designed in the email builder. Send yourself a test email to preview the content before saving your settings.
An option to enable or disable this. So this one is already enabled. You will see we have two options, email and in-app. So email, when we select that, it asks us who should receive this notification for this unconfirmed appointment status. Now I have already selected the assigned user, so whoever is assigned to this contact would receive that email. And if you want to review the content of the email, you'll just click on this arrow right here, and it will show you the subject as well as the body text here. As you can see, the custom fields are being used here. So this is by default, but if you already have some email templates that you have designed in the email builder, you can choose them from here. I don't have an email template set up for this, so I will default to what GoHighLevel has in already. And then you can also send yourself a test email if you need to test.
Step 3, configure in-app notifications. In addition to emails, you can enable in-app notifications. These will appear as internal notifications on the web and mobile app. By default, notifications go to the assigned user, but you can add additional users by mapping them in the settings. Save the settings to finalize.
Hold up for now. I'm going to head over to in-app here, and now you get an option to send notifications to users. So you can see it says that this will be an internal notification on the web and the mobile app. So if you are logged in on the web, of course, you will see that under notification on the top right. And if you are on the mobile app, you will also get a notification on that side. By default, you will see that it goes to the assigned user. Of course, you can disable or enable this. And if you want to notify any additional users, it will pull up the users you have in your account and you can map them from here. It allows you to send this notification to multiple users if need be. Once you're happy with these settings, you will click on Save button right here. And now it will save the notification settings for this appointment status.
Step 4, set up cancellations and reschedules. For cancellation or reschedule notifications, ensure that the content is clear and professional, informing contacts of the changes and providing any next steps. Use your custom email templates or the default ones provided, and don't forget to test these notifications to confirm they appear as expected.
Go to the cancellation notification. I'll just click here. Then I will enable this feature, and then I can choose who should receive this notification. So the contact would automatically get it. So we have the content first. Here is the content. Again, you can map an email template if you have already designed one in the GoHighLevel email builder. Then it is going to the assigned user with this content right here, which is again customizable. And then you can also choose to notify additional emails. Let's say your staff that is not a part of your GoHighLevel account, you can enable this option, customize the content here, and then put in their email ID separate by commas. You can of course test it. And once you're happy with these settings, you can go ahead, click on save here. And once it is saved, you will see right here if it is enabled or disabled. Green is for enabled, and I only enabled the email option here. Of course, if you enable in-app as well, that will also appear to be green.
Testing your notifications. Once all settings are configured, schedule a test appointment on the calendar. Check both email and in-app notifications to ensure they align with your configurations. For emails, verify the subject, body content, and included custom fields. For in-app notifications, confirm they display correctly on both desktop and mobile platforms.
And now if we go ahead and test it, I've already scheduled a test appointment on this calendar so we can see how it appears like. So you can see I have got an email, which is from the notification that we set up. So if we go back here under the confirmed appointment status, this is the email template that we would due to receive. So this is the subject, which is exactly what it is here. And if we scroll down to the email content here, you can see we have these 3 buttons, which look really nice. And if we go back here, we have that option. So I can just go ahead, click on any of these options and add this appointment into my calendar for reminders.
Tips for success. Use consistent email templates for branding and professionalism. Test each type of notification, email and in-app, thoroughly before enabling them for live appointments. Regularly review and update your templates to ensure they meet your business needs. Congratulations! You now know how to set up appointment email and in-app notifications in GoHighLevel. These features will save you time and improve communication with your clients and team. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.